No?
Your sister wants to be in the video.
Do you want to be in the video? You want to be in the video, McKenna?
No. That's a no.
Say good morning, you guys.
Well, good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning. Where are we right now? Can you guys tell us?
Liberal, Kansas.
We're in Liberal, Kansas.
Yes, we are. Having breakfast at the
We are having breakfast. You guys want to tell them what you guys cooked for us?
We didn't cook.
Fair enough. All right, Noah, tell them what we're doing today.
I think we're taking a picture on a couch. Not that much.
And then we're headed to Oklahoma City.
Oh my gosh, struggles, everyone.
And we are going to go to the Botanical Garden?
Yep.
Botanical Garden,
It's really pretty.
apparently. So we're about to take a huge picture on a huge red lawn chair at Brown's Furniture. Cast away your doubt and shame and find healing today. In the name of Jesus, rise up. In the name of Jesus, rise up. Where are we going, Rebecca?
The Botanical Gardens.
Yay! Let's go on an adventure!
Woo! Crazy Dash.
No, unfortunately, I'm not running around the city again.
Here in the forest, the botanical gardens,
In a wild habitat.
and a wild habitat, having the time of our lives.
Concert venue! Just kidding.
Romeo, oh Romeo, where art thou?
You'll never catch me!
We have a face-off. Jericho versus Jesse. Who's gonna be the first one to make it to the top?
Ready, set, go!
Oh, and Jericho is the winner! Is there anything you'd like to say to your fans now that you've had your first victory?
Ah, dude.
What are you gonna do now that you won?
I'm gonna go make a pizza.
You're supposed to say I'm gonna go to
I'm
Disneyland.
gonna go to Disneyland.
Yeah! So we just finished our concert in Oklahoma City. And all of us are staying at the church tonight. And the boys are getting into craziness again, so let's go check it out. Your chair is so little.
So a hip hop, a hip to the hip hop,
Hope, hippie to the hip, hip, hope, you don't stop, let's rock to the bang, bang, bang.
So
Where are you going?
a hip, a hop, sorry, a hip hop, a hip to the hip, hip hop to the hope.
No hop, just hope.
With that, good night, everybody. Micah, tell the world what we're doing today.
stuff.
That was lame.
Huh?
Tell them what we're really doing
I
today.
have no clue what we're doing today.